Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are required to find the largest integer later on that can satisfy this inequality. Okay, so step 1, you will notice Mr. Tan would minus 2 on both sides of this inequality, so that I can get my 0 to save us and solve this inequality. And I would left with negative ax bigger than or equals to negative 72. Next, because I'm going to divide by negative 8, what do you think will happen to the sign? Yes, indeed. I divide by a negative number, the sign will change. And this will then give me my 1 positive 1x less than or equals to, this will give me a value of positive 9. And from here, x must be less than or equal to 9. So what do you think is the largest integer? Yeah, do you see the equal sign? 9. Okay, it must be less than or equals to 9. That means 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and so on. The largest number is 9. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.